spoke, we talked about how the country understands capitalism in the most poor way possible, right? But I was not really expecting that we'll get a live demo of how capitalism works in this manner, right? And how everybody's life is interconnected, right? How every single thing just works like a clockwork, and how pricing, profits, all of these factors actually impact our jobs. For the first time, many youngsters will realize that one industry not working can actually have not just job losses in their industry, but also your industry, right? And how all of us are beautifully interconnected in this world. But I think things from getting back to worse to whatever, I think India has historically been far more resilient compared to other markets. I think largely because we are so close to poverty. Most of us have not come from affluent backgrounds. We've come from essentials only, right? When I was talking to somebody essentials, like I realized that my life was way lower than essential all my life, most of my life, right? So the thing is, we do not realize how easy it is for a country like India to kind of move into essentials only. But we also now have realization that most of the jobs and job and salary growth happens because of non-essentials, right?
Yeah.
And now we have a good understanding of how that works. And I think the biggest thing that I have realized from this particular thing, that India is going to be doing okay. But I think for the youth in particular, this is an opportunity to understand how to thrive in crisis, right? You will see either people will emerge as winners from this, or they will completely kind of get decimated. And this is like I was telling somebody that crisis is like driving a car in Formula One. Okay? Everything is 10x speed, right? Every turn can make you win or lose or even create fatality, right? And I think that is the one thing that a lot of people are going to realize, that they have to be responsible for their own actions. They have to realize that every single thing is going to change things. Now, what is going to happen to job losses? I think it's going to happen. We all know that it's probably happened already. It is going to probably happen slowly in some sectors, faster in some other sectors, right? For example, it depends on how much something is impacted. For example, groceries versus travel, right? That's a spectrum we can think about. But we have to understand that when travel has impact, there is an impact on many other things that we'll have, right? Like the software industry that serve airline clients will get impacted. And when they get impacted, their profits will go down and the rest of the company will get impacted and they will have job losses. And there are other sectors who are related to it. So we are all beautifully connected. And the thing to think about in this time is that, are you going to emerge as somebody that everybody wants to keep no matter what the crisis is, right? This is the time to ask yourself the question, am I the employee? Am I the founder which my employer or my investor will want to back even if things are not perfect, right? And this is the time to really, really, really know if you are crisis proof, right? And if you are not crisis proof, this is a perfect time to upskill yourself. This is a perfect time to know that what are the gaps that you have. All the time to reflect in the world right now, to just think, how do I improve my game? How do I become better? And see people. And the crisis is also a time where you will see people doing extraordinary work. Observe those people. They actually thrive in those periods. So I think this is the time. And what should they prepare for? I think they should prepare for worse. Because if they're prepared for worse, they'll be okay. And let's talk about how startups are dealing with it. Startups are saying that, oh, we may not have runway, so let's reduce our burn, so that when we get out of the crisis, we have enough runway to take off again.
Yeah.
For even individuals, right? If you do not reduce your burn rate, which is your spends and expenses, and you do not know if you're going to have runway going forward, then you will never get a chance to take off. You might have an accident. And then I believe that a lot of bad decisions happen when you're out of runway in life, be it startup, be it individuals. So I think it's the best time to reduce your burn, and think about life in a very, very different way and upskill like crazy.
Can you